Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover access with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. If you've lost access to your LinkedIn account, don't worry. Follow these steps to recover it. Begin by opening the LinkedIn login page. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Click on the Forgot Password option. You will be prompted to confirm your account. LinkedIn will send you an email or text with a link to reset your password. Check your email inbox or SMS for this message. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the link provided in the email or text message. You will be directed to a page to reset your password. Enter a new password that is strong and secure. Confirm the new password by entering it again. Once done, click the Save button. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you don't have access to the registered email or phone number, select I no longer have access to this email/phone. Follow the prompts to verify your ID. You may need to provide alternative information, such as a government-issued ID. LinkedIn will review your request and send you further instructions. This process can take some time, so be patient. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive instructions to access your account. After regaining access, consider updating your security settings. Enable two-step verification for added protection. Review your account information to ensure everything is correct. Now you're ready to use LinkedIn again. Remember to keep your recovery information updated to prevent future issues. With these steps, you should successfully recover your LinkedIn account. Stay informed and secure while using your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.